Okay, pay attention 007. Here is the trigger for the air-to-ground missile. It's activated by rotating the inner dial until these two indices line up exactly. You then pull the crown out to position 1, aim this at the enemy, and fire. Oh, wait, no, that's just a chronograph. Damn. Smithers! Smithers! What did you do with the other watch? No, don't point that there! Quick overview of the Seiko Flightmaster PVD stainless bracelet. Has the double safety lock clasp with the buttons and the safety lock over clasp. Standard stainless case back. Very slight mark on the crystal as mentioned, and a little bit of rubbing on the bezel, which in person is barely noticeable to the naked eye. Much better than I expected. So you've got the little twiddly crown there for your slide rule bezel, internal, and you've got the minute counter 1 to 60, the large seconds for your chrono, the time and alarm, and then the small seconds. On this side, screw down crown, like so. So you've got your funky chrono start button. I'm just going to leave that running and speed it up to tick over the minute. As you can see there, ticks over the minute accordingly. You've got the, what do they call it? The split chrono thing. Press the button and press it again and it will catch up with itself. Press to stop, press to reset, and it will sweep back round to the 0. And then for the alarm, unwind the crown, snap it out to position 1, press the stop button, pop the crown back in, and as this gets around to the 60-second mark, just hold that up to the microphone. I've not actually got my external microphone. Hopefully you can hear that. So that's all working. That'll run for 20 seconds, switch itself off automatically, or you can press one of these buttons and it will switch off. And for an alternative, it will make a different noise if the stopwatch is running, which is kind of cool. So same procedure, pull out to the first position, advance the minute hand by pressing and holding this, and then while the stopwatch is running, and once again, hopefully you could hear that. As I say, I should have really got my lav mic so I could hold that up to the watch. But we'll stop that just there, and then as it catches back up, then the time clock will catch back up and follow your standard clock going around. So yeah, that's kind of a funky little thing. I don't know why it makes a different noise when the stopwatch is running, when the chrono is running, but it does, and it's supposed to, so that's good. That is pretty much it. So everything is working as it should. Everything looks good. It's nice and clean, and it's got a funky chrono start button. which I just think is really, really cool.